Alright, so in terms of how Bitcoin compares to the overall cryptocurrency market, I have a feeling you're going to want to see this. Here's how the top 10 cryptocurrencies have changed over the last 10 years. And as you could see, really one thing has been clear. The number one pick consistently has been Bitcoin. Now, even though a lot has come and gone, similar to the S&P 500 over the decades, is there an investing strategy that one could utilize to consistently come out ahead? Well, that's what brings me to this website, top10cryptofund.com, where they've tracked the top 10 cryptocurrencies on a regular basis since January 2018, and then compared that to the overall index of cryptocurrency to see exactly how and where you could make as much money as possible. And this is what I found very surprising. The premise of this is that on January 1st of every single year, this person buys $1,000 worth of the top 10 coins split evenly with $100 each, and then they compare that to the overall market to see which does better. And this year, despite Bitcoin doing incredibly well, as of November 1st, this entire portfolio of the top 10 coins is only up 3% from the beginning of the year, compared to 6% within the entire crypto market. How? Well, remember, until November 4th, much of the market, besides Bitcoin, was rather stagnant, having barely increased off its prices from the beginning of the year. And now that the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem has seen a resurgence, most of those losses have turned into rather spectacular gains, with much of that having happened over the last 2 weeks. That, of course, is all going to be reported on the next update on December 1st. On top of that, if you include this data going all the way back to 2018, having consistently invested $1,000 each year into the top 10 coins, that'll equate to a total value of $20,829 on November 1st, all from an initial investment of $7,000. Compare that to the S&P 500, which is only worth $11,624 during that same time frame, and you could see that despite a lot more volatility, you would have made a lot more money. Of course, keep in mind that all of this is based on past results, which may or may not continue in the future, and a large part of how much you end up making from all of this is largely due to your luck timing the market.